Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. I am fine too. My dear all, you are welcome to my English class. You are also welcome to our online school Ghare Boshe Shikhi from Digital Primary Education, Mehedpur. And today I am here with you to continue our lesson. Today I am going to conduct a lesson on English for today for the students of class 5. Dear students, I am Khadija Khatun, head teacher of Paschim Malshadov Poro Adarsho Government Primary School. Today I am going to conduct a lesson on English for the students of class 5. And lesson topic is sport, unit 17 and lesson 5 and 6. So students, please let's come and join with me and get ready with your English for today book, khata and pen. I hope all of you are ready. Okay? Now I am going to start my lesson, but before starting my lesson, I want to do something fun. I hope all of you will like it. Now I am going to play a game with you. The game is to make sentence using some words. Okay, now I am going to make sentence to play the game. Okay, now you listen to me carefully. What is the name? The name is Khadija. I am Khadija. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite bird is parrot. My favorite animal is cat. And my favorite fruit is mango. Thank you. Now it's your turn. Now you write your name and give it circle in the middle. You write your name and you write 4 words on the 4 corner like me. Suppose you are Rohan. Now you say, I am Rohan. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite bird is parrot. And my favorite animal is cat. And my favorite fruit is mango. Or suppose you are Mimi. You will write Mimi in the middle and you give a circle around your name and you write these 4 words on the 4 corner. তোমরা কি করবে মাঝখানে তোমার নাম লিখবে এবং 4টা শব্দ 4 কোণায় লিখবে। এই শব্দগুলো ছাড়াও অন্যান্য শব্দ লিখতে পারো। এখানে ক্রিকেটের পরিবর্তে ফুটবল লিখতে পারো, প্যারটের পরিবর্তে ময়না লিখতে পারো অথবা কুকু লিখতে পারো। এখানে ক্যাট টাইগার লিখতে পারো, এখানে লিচি লিখতে পারো, অ্যাপলস লিখতে পারো, যেটা তোমার প্রিয় সেটাই লিখবে। So suppose you are Mimi. Now say, I am Mimi. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite bird is parrot. My favorite animal is cat. My favorite fruit is mango. So my dear all, how was the game? Nice. Thank you. So students, let's come and let's learn some new words. if we learn some new words from our today's text, then you will be able to read the text easily and you will be understand the text easily and you will be able to answer some questions after your reading. So students, let's come to learn some new words with their spelling, with their meaning and with their using. So students, have a look on the screen. What can you see in the picture? Think about the picture, please. In the first picture, you can see some players. They are running a race. They are running a race. আমরা প্রথম ছবিতে দেখতে পাচ্ছি কিছু ক্রীড়াবিদ তারা দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতায় দৌড়াচ্ছে। In the second picture, you follow carefully. We can see a person is swimming. A person is swimming. And in the third picture, we can see a man who is doing weightlifting. A man is doing weightlifting. These are different sports. These sports are usually held in the Olympic Games. In the Olympic Games. The word is the Olympic Games. The word meaning is an international sports competition held every 4 years in a different country. An international sports competition held every 4 years in a different country. The Olympic Games, অলিম্পিক ক্রীড়া প্রতিযোগিতাটা হচ্ছে একটা আন্তর্জাতিক ক্রীড়া প্রতিযোগিতা যেটা প্রতি 4 বছর পর পর বিভিন্ন দেশে অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। Now make sentence. We will make sentence using the word the Olympic Games. I like to watch the Olympic Games. I like to watch the Olympic Games. Okay students, have a look on the screen. Look at the word please. H-O-L-D. Repeat after me. H-O-L-D. Hold. H-O-L-D. Hold. Arrange or take part in. Arrange or take part in. A meeting or conversation. বাংলায় অনুষ্ঠান করা। বাংলায় অনুষ্ঠান করা। The first cricket was held in England. The first cricket was held in England. We will make sentence with the word hold. The first cricket was held in England. Now, let's move to the next word. Modern. Modern. M-O-D-E-R-N. Modern. M-O-D-E-R-N. Modern. The present or recent times. The present or recent times. Not old. Not or not ancient. আধুনিক। আমরা বাংলায় বলি আধুনিক। Mobile phone is essential in our modern life. Mobile phone is essential in our modern life. Thank you. Now have a look on the screen please. Everybody look at this picture. What can you see in the picture? Can you tell me? Yes. They are players. They call athlete. They are players. They are called athletes. Now the word is athlete. A-T-H L-E-T-E. Athlete. A-T-H L-E-T-E. Late. Athlete. skilled to perform well at sports. বাংলায় বলি ক্রীড়াবিদ 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 Usain Bolt is the best athlete in the world. Usain Bolt is the best athlete in the world. So students, thank you. Now let's move to the next words. Compete. C-O-M, P-E-T-E, P-E-T-E, compete. To try to win something by defeating others. To try to win something to defeating others. প্রতিযোগিতা করা প্রতিযোগিতা করা She wants to compete in the Olympic Games. She wants to compete in the Olympic Games. In this picture, you can see some athletes or players. They are in this picture. They are now running a race. They are sent from one nation to compete in the Olympic Games. So now the next word, competition. C-O-M, P-E-P-T-I-T-I-O-N, shun, competition, competition. A contest, a contest. বাংলায় আমরা বলি প্রতিযোগিতা প্রতিযোগিতা I like sports competition. I like sports competition. So students, thank you. Try to remember these all words with their meaning and using. Now students, I am going to read the text at page 68, and all of you please listen to me and follow me carefully. I am going to read the text. All of you listen to me and follow me carefully. আমরা এই টেক্সটটি সবাই মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনবো। আমি এখন পড়ছি, তোমরা সবাই মনোযোগ দিয়ে শুনবে, কেমন? The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympics are held every 4 years in a different host city. More than 200 nations send a total of about 13,000 athletes to compete in more than 30 different sports. The first Olympic Games were held in Greece almost 3,000 years ago. The modern Olympic Games started in 1896 and there have been 31 Olympic competitions since then. Now students, thank you. Now all of you please open your book at page 68. All of you please read the text silently. I will give you 3 minutes for your reading. You will read the text carefully because I will ask you some questions after your reading. So students, read the text carefully. Okay, start your reading. thank you, students. I think all of you have read the text carefully. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. Try to answer me, okay? Question number 1. What is the biggest sports competition in the world? What is the biggest sports competition in the world? Okay? You're right. Answer. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. The Olympic Games is the biggest sports competition in the world. Now, question number 2. How often are the Olympics held? How often are the Olympics held? Try to answer me. Okay. The answer is the Olympics are held every 4 years. The Olympics are held every 4 years. Now, question number 3. This is the last question for you. You can write the questions on your khata. When was the modern Olympic Games begin? When was the modern Olympic Games begin? আধুনিক অলিম্পিক খেলা কখন শুরু হয়েছিল? Yes, the answer is the modern Olympic Games was began in 1896. The modern Olympic Games was began in 1896. Okay, thanks to all my dear lovely friends. Now have a look on the screen. Now all of you open your khata and write down these 5 gaps, because you have to fill up the gaps using these words. Using these words: is, began, was, are, sent. I am going to read the gaps. A. The Olympics dash held every 4 years. B. The first Olympic dash held in Greece. C. The modern Olympic Games dash in 1896. Athletes are dashed to compete in different sports. The Olympic Games dash very exciting. Please, all of you, write down these gaps and fill in the gaps with these words. Okay, students, please hurry up and write down these gaps. I think all of you will do it well by yourself, because you have read the text carefully, I know. Okay, now students, I think all of you have written these gaps. Now, please match your answers. Match your answer. A. Are. B. Was. C. Began. D. Sent. C. Is. I am going to read the answer again. A. Are. Number B. Was. C. Began. D. Sent. And E. Is. Thank you, friends. Now, it's time for writing homework. Please, all of you, open your khata and write down the homework, please. Please write down the homework and remember to write the date and do the homework. Write 5 sentences about the Olympic Games. Write 5 sentences about the Olympic Games. Olympic Games সম্পর্কে 5টি বাক্য লেখো। Now students, these are all for today. You do the homework and show it to your parents or your elder brother or sister, and you can submit your khata to your class teacher when your school will reopen. Till then, see you. Be careful and keep yourself clean and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.